Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney. And in today's video, we'll learn how to place a basket order directly through option chain using RMoney Tradion app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So once you open the app, search for the required script and open its option chain. And inside the option chain, here by default, you will get 10 strikes, and if you want to change it, just click on this option and select all. And now all the strike prices are available on the screen. Now tap on the toggle option to enable basket mode. Now simply tick the checkbox next to the strike price you want to trade. To add a buy order, tap on add buy. And if you want to add a sell order, you just have to simply click on add sell. But here we are going to add a buy order. Now you can repeat the same steps to add multiple strikes and even create a complete option strategy like spreads or straddles. Now tap on view basket to see all the legs added in your basket. And here you can see that all the legs which you have added in your basket are displayed here. Now you have got two options here. You can either save your basket for later, or if you want the instant execution, you can simply tap on execute to place all the orders in one go. See, your basket order is now successfully placed. You can check the status here. And you can also check the position tab. If your order is filled, it would be displayed here. So this is how you can place a basket order using option chain. So this feature helps traders to execute multiple option legs simultaneously, and it reduces execution delays, and it also avoids manual order entry error. And then finally, it also helps trader to trade complex strategies quickly and efficiently. Alright, that's it for today. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to drop them into the comments. Until then, happy trading. Bye bye.